when we said that this was more than likely a double in here that was trying to hold, and do not be deceived, even if we got down another point, you got to protect yourself, but, you know, because of moving averages and whatever, but we said more than likely the Globex chart was the right one that was pushing up. And as such, this target wants to break that high, the overnight highs. So if you're looking at, and here's our throwback line, by the way, we're hitting. So this was my expectation. If we take out the overnight high, then legitimate target becomes that 88 area, 88 to 89. Right? Just on a rule of proportion here of okay, I got it. And now, because of the timing, we need to be very conservative, thinking anything more alongside, and obviously the shorts, you know, like I said, we don't want their problems to be ours. So after the 2:30 to 3 o'clock time frame, we start to get into turf wars as to, first of all, where do we close the day? And then secondly, who wants to take home some profits out of a great day? So yesterday we had this late day plunge. Law of alternation says not as likely to do that today. And I've seen, you know, silly things happen, but, you know, 2 days in a row, I'm not thinking we're going to get that trade. 10,000 ticks up there. The throwback line is hit. And all I can say is that we had said let's look at this platform for now as temporary support right here. And we said this is the fighting box, and you know, today is the marbles day. So all I can tell you is if you've had a good day, do not ruin a good day just by being too greedy or too aggressive. Momentum is up. And all alongs will want to go home cackling, but we see how long, you know, all of their nonsense has been good for. We keep making lower lows. Now, if we take out the 1800 high, that's a different story. But I'm not going to read into this market any one day. It's just been too crazy and too volatile to do that. So round numbers, like we said before, just look at the range. If you want a common sense range, you've got to think of it as 1760 as the bottom end, and the 1800 as the top, and there's 1880 as the middle. And it's been plus or minus 20 points from there. Throw away 1 or 2 points on either end, and there it is. And anybody that likes to trade by saying I want my 97 or whatever when they're, you know, 2 or 3 points away, and then loses all this in the meantime, and then comes back and gets, you know, super cocky again today, that's not a true trader, because they don't understand all that was lost in here could have been traded this morning when it was flying early. You know, we're reading this, okay, we're coming to test this and this, but we make some coming and we make some going the other way. And nobody should feel uncomfortable that they got beat here on this trade. What you want to do is recognize. See, the average guy cannot say, "Hey, I was wrong." Remember when I said, "Okay, if we get back to 78, Once you admit to yourself, "I was wrong. We're not going to be playing the same trade, going the other way," then you can make money in this business. It's the guy who can't do that loses.